Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix app on download in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your apps are not downloading, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to try to use your Play Store instead of Galaxy Store to download and install apps. But you can also use Galaxy Store, but my personal recommendation is Play Store. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you're connected to internet using a Wi-Fi as well as data. Then go to storage here in your settings, go to device here, and go to storage. Make sure that you have enough storage, like almost 15 to 20 GB free, which is in the storage to download and install any app as well. You can also try to clear storage by using these methods, or you can clear storage from this. And once I've done this for back, now you have to retry to go to your Play Store and retry to install that app. If you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to click on this profile icon here, click on settings, click on about, click on this update Play Store. It will update your Play Store if there will be any update issue of your Play Store. This might be fixed. You can also try to change your Google account. For example, if you have multiple Google accounts, you can try to switch between them, like select this, add another account. If you don't have any accounts, you can add another account here. You can also click on this manage accounts on this device and remove your this account from here. And once you remove your account, you have to re-add this account, so sometimes it might help you to fix your issue. If you're still facing the same issue, keep a long press on your Play Store, click on this info button here, scroll down to end, go to storage, and click on clear cache. It will clear all the junk files up from your Play Store. You can click on clear data. You can also try this. It will not delete any kind of your data, but the very first launch of your Play Store after clearing the data will be too slow. So once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. Or I also recommend you have to go to your software update section and make sure that your phone is up to date, because sometimes it might be that your phone is not updated or your software is not updated, so you might get these type errors. And once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a restart with your phone. Scroll in the control center, click on restart button, click on restart, and make sure that your phone is restarted. Once I've restarted, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed, your issue, keep a long press on your Galaxy Store, click on the info button here. If you never use your Galaxy Store, you can still do this step. Go to your storage here, and here click on clear cache, then clear data of your Galaxy Store, because your Samsung phone or your built-in app store of your Samsung phone is Galaxy Store. You can still do this step if you never use Galaxy Store before. So once I've done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.